Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today is going to be a DIY hair mask that you can make right out of your kitchen. It's going to add protein to your hair and also make it really soft. So I'm hoping you're going to enjoy this. I do want to do a disclaimer. Make sure you do not use hot water to wash your hair. Make sure you use cool water after using this mask. As you can see, my hair's dry and it's dirty and it needs to be washed. You want to get some organic yogurt, plain organic yogurt, and put about 2 to 3 teaspoons in a bowl, then an egg, and drop that in. You want to stir it really well to make sure the egg and the yogurt are both mixed well. The consistency is like this. I like using a brush because it's easier. I just part my hair and then just begin applying the mask right on the part. As you can see, I'm making another part and I just keep doing this. To me, it's so much easier to add it with a brush than with your fingers, but it's up to you. You can do it either way. Just make sure you use an old shirt. Then I'm going to start putting my hair up in a bun, and as I'm rolling it into a bun, I apply the mask to the length of my hair. Again, please remember, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, do not use hot water to wash your hair with this mask because you can cook the egg. And I've done that before when I was 14. This is my hair mask that I used when I was a teenager. Leave it in for 10 to 20 minutes. And this is the result after using the hair mask. My hair is shinier and it just adds protein and again makes it soft. I want to shout out to Naturally Antonia. She is my friend here on YouTube and on Instagram. She has a schedule that you can use for your long hair to help you know how much protein to add to your hair or not. So she does this really cool schedule, so be sure to check out her channel at Naturally Antonia. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here with me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe down below. I've almost hit 1,000 subscribers, so I'm really excited about that. Thank you to my followers that have followed me for a long time. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support. It means the world to me. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Love you guys. See you next time.